Hello everybody, how are you all doing? God bless you all. Thank you for coming back. Welcome to my channel. Alright, today we're making AtaDinDin. AtaDinDin is that's what we call it in my country. I'm from Nigeria. So yeah, and the English name is just fried stew. Yeah. So here you see that I'm trying to blend everything. So the tomatoes are in, the onions in. All right, I think the pepper is already in. Blend. Okay, straight into the pot and cover. So the thing with this is that you need to leave it on for a couple of minutes. Yeah, you need the water to dry out like almost completely. In fact, completely, if possible. I mean, it's not going to be like stone or anything, but like dry it out. Yeah, this is just to create the effect of the fried stew, and this is the easiest way that I found. Like, you can make this in 30 minutes. Like, you're done. Yeah, you don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to get the effect once the pepper is dried. So we'll put in curry, thyme. I put the stock cube already. I used just 3 stock cubes. Okay, and then the oil goes in. Okay, and then we're gonna leave that to fry for a couple of minutes. So now I'm cutting the sweet peppers here, just to give it the, I don't know, kind of sweetness. Yeah, and it was really nice, really nice. It's nice with all sorts of things, pasta, etc. Yeah, so putting the peppers in, onion, then put some more water to loosen up the sauce, and cover for a few minutes. Like, you have to cover it for a couple of minutes. When you see the oil coming back up, then it means that, you know, your fried stew is almost done. So in this case, you're going to see me, okay, I use air fryer all the time. I'm sure you guys have seen that. Yeah, so I fried the chicken and then I just put it on. The recipe for the chicken is pretty simple, just like I did with the Korean chicken. If you checked my video, the Korean chicken recipe is the same thing but without the sauce. So I just put it in the air fryer. Yeah. So I'm mixing now. I put the chicken in, mixing to make sure that the chicken is all coated. I mean, if you're not someone who is big on oil, like I'm not so big on oil, you know, you can just use a couple of tablespoons, like 2 tablespoons, you're good to go. You'll get good effect from it and it will still taste good. But I think because we're used to this amount of oil with, you know, this kind of sauce, so yeah. And then I wasn't cooking for myself alone, I was cooking for the whole house. So yeah, so mixing. Here it's almost done, it's literally just done. And then I'm showing you how it looked. So I think I'm gonna zoom the camera back. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, doesn't it look yummy? It looks very yummy. So please, I hope you guys try it out, you know, and share, like, subscribe, you know. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.